Well, garden furniture today. Well, just yesterday I varnished this garden set after my husband spends just yesterday I varnished this garden set after my husband spent hours sanding it, and then we were reading the instructions of the varnish. It's a water-based varnish, and it said not suitable for sitting. So we couldn't believe it. And because we have an experience like that before, that some shelving units just made the whole wall and pictures and everything really nasty color, I'm going to make some cushions to avoid anything happening to clothes. Imagine that, sitting and ending up all brown. And for this project I have this beautiful fabric. It was quite costly. I think I spent €100 on it. It was really white because it's a special shop specialized in outdoor stuff. So it was okay. It was 3 meters, but still it was a lot. So I ended up making a sand cover, and I've just been here like more than an hour trying to make it fit because I didn't have enough fabric for the 2 benches and the 2 little ones. So I've been just cutting and sewing and making lines match, so I have a nice cushion set for all of them and I can use them. So well, anyways, let's do this. It's going to be like floor cushions, thick and with the little edge on top and the bottom. A few years ago I made a floor cushion for my son. They asked for it at school to watch films and read and things like that. It's really thick and comfy and structured, so it's really good. I want to do the same, a bit thinner because it's a bench, and for that you have to trace a flat cushion and then we're going to pinch it. Like when you make a tote bag, you pinch the corner so it has a bottom, so it has volume, and this is what I'm going to do. So I traced all around the benches, giving it 3 centimeters extra, and the long ones have this shape, so it makes my life a bit more complicated, but anyways, let's try to do it. So with everything cut, at last, I can start sewing all around the cushion and leaving like 20 centimeters open so I can put the filling in and put it right sides out as well. And with this sewn, to make the corner, I'm just going to pinch the corners of the cushion, putting together the 2 seams from the sides. And that way, when you sew the, for example, in my case, 3 centimeters, I'm going to have the 6 that is going to be the whole of the width of the cushion. And the long one, even though it has this shape, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to face the seams together, but I'm going to take in less centimeters because of the shape. It's not a corner, it's much more open, and if I take loads of centimeters, it's going to be massive. So just 1.5, I'm gonna take half the measurement I thought I had given it. And to make the corners for the floor cushion, I'm going to just pinch from one of these points that I just made to the other one, to the other side. And this is going to create this shape and look just like a block. And with all this edge done, I love it. I'm going to put an elastic band so they don't move, so the cushion stays in place if you get up, if you stand or sit down. And I'm going to do it on the bottom seam. Why didn't I do it first? Because if you notice, this middle bit is the first seam, and if I sew it there, you will see all this piece of elastic band there, so I think it's much more discreet to sew it underneath. But on the little ones, on the little benches, I'm going to have to do something to tie them up because the legs doesn't let me put an elastic band. It's impossible. So this is how it's looking. Really good. You don't see it, and once it's placed, you don't see any elastic band on the side, which is nice. And the other ones are just like this. So let's fill them up. And to fill them, I'm going to use this. This is really cheap. It's €2.60 the bag, and that's why I got it this way. I wanted to use this fabric, and if I had bought a block of foam, it would have been much more expensive. Maybe the product would have been 50 or 60 euros, and I didn't want that. So I'm going to use some foam I have. I bought extra, and let's start filling them up. Y costura. Well, this foam is so annoying to use. Everything is covered by it, but it doesn't matter because the results are really good. I think it looks amazing. I love the corners, so let's put them on the benches. Well, I think they look amazing. I'm really pleased with them. It's a lot of work because you have to sew the cushions, do the edges, and then fill them in. So it was quite a lot, but I'm quite happy because they look amazing and they are really good quality because the fabric is very, very good. So very pleased. I love how the elastic looks because it keeps it in place, but it doesn't bother you. It's not an eyesore, which is also nice. And the foam, even though it looks quite bulky right now, once you start sitting down, it will go down quite a lot, and even to the point that maybe I can refill them. So we'll see. It's okay. But they are really comfy. I love them. And that way we avoid any paint, any varnish stains, so that's good. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you like this idea, if you've made them before, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you around. Bye.